Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode, guys. In today's video, we actually have a $2,000 sneaker mystery box for you guys from Direct Kicks. Now, Direct Kicks is a box that we've seen a couple times in the past. I believe I've opened about like 2 or 3 now, and they've been pretty darn good, so I decided to try it out again. If you guys don't know what a sneaker mystery box is, basically it is a mystery box full of sneakers. They could be in new condition, used condition, different sizes, with boxes, without boxes, and the whole point of these boxes is that we buy these shoes in bulk without knowing what we're getting, and hopefully we're able to clean them up and then sell them for more profit. So that's what we're going to be doing today. It should be a lot of fun, guys, and I gotta let you guys know that actually, for the people that are wondering, we are doing the May Dream Sneaker giveaway, but that will be starting next week, and I highly recommend you guys hit your notification bells because this one's going to be a shorter like giveaway time, so you guys don't want to miss that video or else you guys will miss the giveaway. So hit that notification bell down below if you guys have not already. Anyway, let's take a look at this box. Again, bought from Direct Kicks, $2,000. If you guys want to see a super hype box, then don't forget to hit that like button right now. That's the good luck sign that we're going to get a lot of bangers in this box, so hit that like button and let's see what we got. Okay, so smaller box. It looks like we have one shoe without a box over here. This one is a size 11.5. I really don't know what this shoe is called. It says EXP X14 on the back, and they look like a pair of runners, so this is kind of interesting. I actually really dig the color on this. That orange and black looks super sick. If you guys want to check it out over here, this is a used pair. You guys can tell there's a little bit of like use on the bottom. However, it doesn't look too bad. Usually when you see a runner like this, they will have a lot more wear because obviously people are running in them, but this one doesn't look too bad at all, and it does look very comfortable as well. So this will be a pretty decent pair. I'm guessing it's not very hyped though, so you probably won't get a lot of resale value on it, but if you guys are looking for a pair of runners, this one might be for you. I actually sell all of these sneakers on my web store as well, so if you guys head over to untiedhawaii.com, they will be up there for you guys to buy, so check it out. They do go fast though, so you guys don't want to miss that. Next shoe with a box. This one is an older box for sure. What is this? Nike Dunk Premium in a size 7.5, and for this one, whoa, this one is super beat. What the heck? How old is this sneaker? 2003, man. The colorway on this is actually really clean. It looks like kind of like a shadow kind of look, but man, this thing, I don't know if it's even wearable at this point because it's really worn down. When you guys look at it over here, the leather up here is definitely like worn in. You can see over here it's actually super worn down. Also up here on the toe box, heavy toe box creasing. It looks like it's falling apart. Actually on the bottoms, there's a good amount of heel drag, but not too much star loss, so that's kind of interesting. However, again, I did mention this is a 2003 shoe, so probably not one you want to wear, but if you guys are collectors and stuff like that, then maybe you guys are looking for this. Definitely a piece of history, man. That shoe is 17 years old now. Wild. This one looks like a more recent shoe though. Jordan 4 box, and this one is in a size 10. For this sneaker right here, oh my gosh, yeah, this is super sick. So I've been waiting for one of these to come in a mystery box for a really long time, guys, because if you guys didn't know, this is a very sentimental shoe for me. I'm so excited because it's not super hype, but this was the first Jordan that I ever got in my life, and it's actually the first shoe that started kind of like spurring me to do the YouTube channel. So yeah, I got this shoe back in like 2016, and if you guys can believe it, it was my first Jordans. What the problem was is I ended up selling my pair like a fool. I don't know why I did that, and then I just figured like eventually I'm gonna find another one in a beater box again in a size that I can fit, and it finally came. Like, it finally came. It took 3 years for it to come back, but here it is, guys. Jordan 4 Green Glow, and this is in very solid condition. I'm so happy. You guys see it on my face, dude. I really liked this shoe when I first saw it. Again, I wasn't a sneakerhead until recently, but this thing is just a really dope shoe. I thought you could wear it with a lot of things, and the green just added a little bit of dimension to it. So very cool sneaker over here. And as you guys can see, no toe box creasing over the top, and it looks like it might have been tried on, if not dead stock. So this is awesome, guys. I am very happy with this, and unfortunately to say, I will not be selling this one because I'm keeping it. A size 10 is a little bit snug for my foot, but I can't pass this one up again, man. So gonna be holding on to that one. Very cool in here. I was not expecting that at all. That's super sick to see. All right. Oh, whoa, that is interesting in here. Okay, so I missed a shoe. There was one more shoe without a box in here, but there's a good reason why I missed it, because this thing is tiny. Check this out, guys. This is a pair of the Shawn Weatherspoons in like a very small size, toddler size, I believe. This one is a size 8C, and as you guys can tell, this thing is very small, man. Literally smaller than the size of my hand, so that's kind of wild. And this one's kind of worn down. I think it looks pretty worn, man. Probably the smallest shoe I've ever seen in a beater box. Like, I never ever see toddler shoes, so this is kind of cool. Definitely is very small, and it looks like it's worn quite a bit. There's a lot of fraying on the corduroy upper over here, and bottoms are dirty as well. The thing with toddler shoes is, I mean, kids, when they have these shoes, their feet grow so fast that basically these things are like out of their size within a couple months. So they move very, very quickly, and it's more of like a sentimental thing for people to keep these after a certain point. But for Shawn Weatherspoon Air Max, because you guys know it's hyped, it does have resale value still. I don't know what the resale is specifically. It's probably up over here on the screen though now, but yeah, very, very interesting. Maybe I should hold these for when I have little unties running around the house, man. I'll get them a fresh pair. This was kind of dirty. Yeah, we'll get rid of this one. Okay, next shoe out over here. This is an interesting Jordan box. Jordan 1 Rebel XX OG in a size 10. I remember seeing these on sneakers a while back. This is that Rebel Jordan in the top 3 colorway. So you guys can check it out. Definitely like a strange shoe. And I think that there's actually pretty decent resale on this one for some reason. I don't know why. I wouldn't wear it. It's not my typical Jordan 1. You guys can see has like this weird twisting pattern of the laces, which gives it that Rebel look. And this one is in worn condition. The bottoms are dirty. However, it is in very solid condition for being worn. So yeah, kind of cool over here. I'm kind of surprised with this box so far, guys. A lot of unique things in here that I've never seen before. This shoe over here, hopefully is something familiar. It's a Jordan 1 box in a size 11. And for this pair, whoa, it's dead stock too. That's sick. I think it's dead stock. No, it's not dead stock. Darn. Okay, that's kind of makes me sad, but that's okay. I believe that this one is the Jordan 1 gold toe. Let's check the other shoe. Yeah, both of them have the gold toe on. So that's how you guys know it is a gold toe. I know there was a different one that looked kind of like this. It was the top 3 gold. A little bit of a variant. I believe that was a Complex Con exclusive. That one would have went for more money, but I think these things are still rising in value somehow. So kind of cool to see it in a box. Very unique sneaker. I really wish that this wasn't like a patent leather kind of look, because patent leather on a Jordan 1, it creases very easily, man. So you guys see over here a little bit of toe box creasing. I'm guessing this guy wore it like once. I don't see any other creasing on the shoe. So overall, really solid condition actually. This one should fetch a lot of money, and I actually really like it with these like kind of muted gold laces. That's kind of dope on here too. Does come with the extra laces in here as well. 3 shoes left in here, guys. This one is a Nike Dunk low box. Excited about this. You guys know Nike Dunks are coming back, so this one should fetch a lot. Also in a size 8.5. Let's check what colorway we got though. I don't know what colorway this is, but this is pretty cool, man. Interesting. This has like an American flag kind of vibe. I don't know what this is called though. I'm sure my boy SB Mitch knows exactly what these are, but this is actually one I've never seen. So very, very wild. Has that blue, has that red, and also like this gold over here. Kind of like a top 3 look, which is kind of interesting. Also, you guys see in there Nike SB. These are translucent soles, which get dirty really quick, as you guys can tell. But overall, shoe condition looks pretty solid, man. Leather quality on this thing feels really good too. So this is a cool shoe. I just really don't know what it is, man. That's the problem with like beater boxes and stuff. There will be a lot of shoes you've never seen before, but that's why it's cool for me, because it's always a learning experience. So I gotta research the shoe, find out what it is, and then hopefully it stays in my brain for the rest of my life. All right, so we got 2 shoes left in here. This one is a Nike Air Fear of God in a size 10. Okay, we got a pair of the oatmeals over here, man. This was actually a really nice pair. I got rid of mine recently just because I realized I had too much Air Fogs and I really wasn't wearing them, so I got rid of mine. However, for this one, this was probably one of my favorite colorways, to be honest. A light tan kind of color, and this one is used. You guys can check it out. Bottoms, I mean, they're worn, but overall, nothing too crazy. There is kind of a good amount of like scuffing over here. That kind of sucks, but I don't see anything else like pretty bad on the sneakers. So overall, pretty solid condition. Very nice shoe over here. If you guys didn't know, if you guys are looking to cop these shoes, make sure you size down by like half a size at least, and maybe even a whole size down. Like for some reason for me, I'm a size 10.5, like a true 10.5. I could fit a size 9.5 of these, and that was like perfect for me. Size 10 was like a little bit big, but it got the job done. 10.5, there's no way I could fit that. So make sure you guys size down if you guys cop these. Okay, and one last shoe in here, guys. This is probably gonna be the money shoe, because this is an off-white box, and it is a size 10.5, Nike Air Max 97. Okay, we have a pair of the OG colorway. So this is the first one from the 10 collection, guys. Most of the time, the off-white 10 collection, you guys will see a lot of like fading in the colorway and a lot of like discoloration. You can kind of tell with it over here. Bottoms definitely worn, but uppers look okay. And like I mentioned, not a lot of discoloration, so that's good. And a couple extra laces in here as well. So yeah, you guys will see all of that on the web store when I post it on there. there if you guys do want to cop this. I've never been a big fan of Air Max 97, so yeah, not for me, but definitely a grail for some people. Anyway guys, that is actually it for this box. As you guys can see, we are tapped out over here now. It was really an interesting box, guys. A lot of shoes we've never seen before, which is cool. I really enjoy that. It's just I can't really tell like the value in my head until after the video, because since I've never seen those shoes before, I really can't like guesstimate if we were good or not on this box. There was a couple of hype shoes though, so hopefully we made our value back on this, but yeah, I don't really know until the end. Anyway, that is it for this video. Again, if you guys want to cop any of these shoes, head over to untiedhawaii.com. All of the shoes are listed for sale up on the website over there. And as a last reminder, don't forget, have your notification bells on, because next week is the Dream Shoe giveaway. It will be a shorter one. I think it's running for about a week or so. So hit that notification bell, and hopefully I see you guys next week for that video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!